How do I reset my router using the WPS button?
Hello, in this video we're going to explore how to reset your router using the WPS button. This is a simple process that can often solve connectivity issues and generally helps to improve your home network performance.
What is the WPS button?
The WPS button stands for Wi-Fi Protected Setup. It is designed to make the process of connecting to a secure wireless network from a computer or other device easier. However, some routers also allow this button to function as a reset tool.
Locating the WPS button.
The WPS button is typically located on the back or the side of the router. It might be labeled as WPS or may have a symbol that looks like two arrows forming a circle. Make sure you've identified the correct button before proceeding to the next steps.
Resetting the router using the WPS button.
Before proceeding, make sure to back up any custom settings you have on your router, as a reset will revert everything back to the factory default settings. 1. Press and hold the WPS button for approximately 10 seconds. This time may vary slightly depending on your router's brand and model, so check your router's manual if in doubt. 2. Release the button when you see the router's lights start to flash. This typically indicates that the reset is underway. 3. Wait for the router to fully reset and restart. This process may take a few minutes. When the lights stop flashing and return to their normal state, the reset process is complete. 4. Once the reset is complete, you will need to reconfigure your router settings. This includes setting your SSID, network name, password, and any other custom configurations you had before the reset. And there you have it, a straightforward guide on how to reset your router using the WPS button. Remember to back up your settings before performing a reset, and to reconfigure your network after the process is complete. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video has been helpful. Stay connected.